Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make this McDonald's style Aloo Tikki Burger. So these are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now without further ado, let's get started. So heat a pan and add about 4 tablespoons of oil. To this add 2 finely chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, about half a spoon of red chilli powder, and just saute it for about 30 seconds. Now to this I'm gonna add 4 medium-sized boiled and mashed potatoes. Now just give it a good mix. Now add 3/4 spoon of salt or as per your requirement, half a spoon of cumin or jeera powder, half a spoon of coriander or dhanya powder, 1/4 spoon of chaat masala, and just mix it well. Now to this I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of boiled green peas and some finely chopped coriander leaves. Now give it a good mix. You can adjust the spice according to your need. Now let it cool down completely and take it in a bowl and add juice of half a lemon and just mix it well. Now add 2 spoons of Maida and 2 spoons of breadcrumbs. So this is gonna help in binding. Now just give it a good mix and it should be able to hold shape. Now take a portion of the dough. Now just give it a round shape and just press flat, like you know how the burger cutlets look, patties look. So just repeat the same with the rest. I was able to make 3 such patties. Now let's make the conflour slurry. For that, in a bowl add 3 spoons of maida, 1/4 spoon of salt, 1/4 spoon of pepper powder, and just mix it. Now to this I'm going to add about half a glass of water. Now take the aloo patty and dip it in the conflour slurry and then coat it with breadcrumbs. Make sure you coat the sides as well. Just repeat the same with the rest. So now I'm going to refrigerate them for about 20 minutes. You can refrigerate it for more as well. Now heat some oil for deep fry and I'm going to fry one by one. Make sure the flame is on low to medium. Flip and fry on both sides. So it's gonna look something like this, brown in color, and the pan looks really ugly, I know. Now heat a tawa and add about half a spoon of butter and just spread it well. Now toast the burger buns. Just take 1 burger bun and cut it into half and just toast them well on low flame. Repeat the same with the rest. Now let's assemble the burger. So take 1/2 of the burger, the lower half, and apply burger mayonnaise. If you don't have burger mayonnaise, just take normal mayonnaise and add 1 spoon of ketchup, and there you go. Now add the aloo patty and add lettuce leaf. Add 1 processed cheese slice. Add about 2 to 3 onion rings. You can even add some tomatoes. Now I'm going to add about 2 spoons of mayonnaise. And top it with the bun. Now just repeat the same with the rest and your burger is ready. I hope you like this recipe. The burger tasted yummy. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.